What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been god dang couple months since I posted last. I do apologize. Been kind of trying to figure out where I want to take my channel. Do I keep doing the fishing thing? Do I start moving over to the cooking thing? So today we're celebrating my son's 18th birthday. Happy birthday, Carlitos, we love you. I'm gonna have a little party for him today. We're just doing Discada, but the difference between this video and the last one, so the last video that I did was for a little under 20 people, right? So it was like, how much did I do? I did 3 pounds of pork, 2 pounds of, 3 chicken, 2 pork, and 1 beef. So today we're expecting a group of around 50 people. So I remember last time I mentioned to you the differences we're making Discada for a lot of people. So today I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna go through each and everything because we've talked about that before on my last video, but I will show you the differences. We're making something for like 10 or 15 people versus 50 people. So let's look at what we're doing, what we're making. So again, my ratios, I've basically doubled up 2.5 times what I did before. So we're going with 9 full pounds of chicken. We're going with 4 pounds of pork, 4 pounds of beef, 2 pounds of sausage. I ran out of Ziplocs, so don't laugh at my little bags. And I did 3 pounds of bacon. Now, as far as the other stuff, the vegetables, we're doing 5 onions, 10 Roma tomatoes. We're doing 11 of the bell peppers, and I actually have 25 jalapenos. Yeah, 25 of these bad babies. And then I'm doing 3 cans of beer. Today we're using Modelo. What's up? Now the differences between last time and this time is, like I told you, when you start going through and doing your vegetables, those tomatoes are going to release a lot of liquids. So what we have is we're going to have a pitcher with a spoon, and then we're also going to have a big bowl. Now, I made Discada when I went to Colorado with my family for spring break. That was about 40 people, and I did take the Discada up there with me, but we did it over fire. I was too scared to take the propane bottles up in elevation. I don't know why, I just kind of freaked out. I imagined like the propane bottle blowing up or something. So I did it with wood. But when I was out there doing that, I noticed I was fighting a lot with the meat to stay in. So you think about it, you got 10 or 15 pounds of meat on the side, it's gonna slowly start sliding down and all that stuff. So the only difference between something like this and a big Discada is I pull out the meat. I'll cook the meat like I normally do, but when the meat's done, I'll take it out. And then I'll do the vegetables by themselves, right? That way I have more room to play. I can do it in here, I promise you it'll fit, but it's not worth fighting, with everything, with the food falling down. It's so much easier to go ahead and pull it out and then do your vegetables. The other thing is with the jalapenos, since I have so many jalapenos this time, remember the last video I threw them in at the very end? This time I'm gonna throw them in when I throw everything else in to give it more time, because like I said, those are more jalapenos. It takes a lot longer for those to cook. Then we have just the spatula, some tongs, and then the spoon so I can scoop out the liquids. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and transition over to the other cameras. I'll do just myself so you can see me if you want to see me, and then the picture-in-picture of just the Discada so you can see what it looks like. So give me a second, let me get set up. I'll be right back. First, the bacon. So again, this is gonna be 3 total pounds. I'm contemplating doing more than 3, but I figured 3 will be okay. So we'll do 3. So the bacon, whenever you put it in, make sure you break it up. Usually whenever it's in the package, it's all together in slices. Go ahead and break it up. So I'm hoping it doesn't take longer than maybe, if I had to guess, maybe an hour to cook this. When we did all the cutting, so like I said, last night we did all the cutting of the vegetables, all the meats, everything. I don't like doing that the day of, because today, we're getting everything set up, the canopies, the chairs, the fans, the inside, everything. So I don't want to sit there and do a whole bunch to do the day of. So we'll cut it the night before. Took us about 2 hours to get everything cut up. But that's like, how many? 9 and 8 is 17, 18, 19, 22, about 24 pounds of meat. And then all the vegetables. It doesn't feel like it takes that long when you're actually doing it. It goes by pretty quick. So my kids help me with some of it too, so that helps. But it's not that hard. I mean, some places you can buy your carnita already cut up in little pieces. I don't usually do that because when they do it, the pieces that they cut are really small pieces. And I don't like super small. just because, like I've shown you before, smaller pieces tend to fall out of your taco, and I hate fighting with my taco to get everything in there. So as you can see, the bacon is rendering down. It's no longer sticking. Sorry, it's not sticking anymore. Sometimes it does stick in the middle, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends. If you get your disco really hot, you won't have that many issues with it. So since I'm going to be taking out the meat as it cooks, like I told you before, I'm going to go ahead and cook this to what I need it to be. So before, in the other video, remember I was telling you, when you're doing your bacon, you want to do it a little undercooked because it's still going to be in your disco while you're cooking the other meats. For this one, since I'm not going to be doing that, I'm going to cook it to, like I said, the color that I want, and then pull it out. We're almost done. Look, I mean, it's, you can see it's, actually I think it's done. We'll go and pull it out now. Hey.
How long have we grew? It smells so good. How long have you had that?
Oh shoot, long time.
10 years?
Feels like it.
Are you recording?
I'm recording. You guys are on video.
Are you in a video?
You're gonna be on my video.
Hi.
Emma, say hi.
This is my dad.
The best Discada chef ever.
What's going on, brother?
How you doing? Sorry, I'm all sweaty.
Smells good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're working
hey, girl.
very hard, sir.
I'm trying to.
Hey, can you hear anything?
I got one. I got one. Yeah, okay. I'm good. Glad you guys made it out.
Oh, man, this thing makes it great right here.
You know we can't stay long.
Yes. Somebody wants to go to a different party.
It's my birthday. Thank you very much.
It didn't have to be your birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah? What time are y'all taking off?
I told him I said we can stay a few hours.
Oh, okay. This will be ready in about...
We're not swimming.
No?
No.
You too good to swim?
See all this in the when I get down to their size again.
I told Erica whenever you said no thongs, I said, well, I'm out.
Right? I used to go, I'm always in the nude. I'm recording. Yeah, it's all coming out. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, just please.
I know, right? I'm already
Your mom coming up too, right?
I haven't even talked today, I'm sure.
Sausage is done. You haven't watched any of my videos on YouTube?
I watched some of
Have you? Yeah. That'd be awesome.
And then so I looked and I said, no, we sat in front of the house for a little bit. I was like, no, it's today.
Yeah, it's today. There's the beef. So the beef is almost done. So if you look how much liquid is in there. This is just from the beef. Like I haven't done the pork yet. I haven't done the chicken yet. Just beef. So that's why I told you, when you're doing a lot of food, those liquids will start building up. So it'll start boiling more than anything else. So what no, I'm good. Oh, I'm good. Yeah. I got everything right here. We're good. Thank you, though. So what I may do is when I throw the pork in, I may go ahead and pull some of that juice out real quick. All right, that's all the beef. Now we're going to throw in the pork. So we're going to be careful so it doesn't splash on you. Let him in the pool. Put it in there. Let that sit for a minute. So the bowl, that's what it looks like. We have our carnita, we have our sausage, and we have our bacon in there. And we'll just keep adding more and more meat to it until we're done. After that's the chicken, and after that's the vegetables. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start pushing my meat out because now I'm getting a lot of liquid. I'm going to pull that out. And we're not going to throw it away because we're going to actually use that. There's nothing but flavor in that, so we're not going to get rid of it. So spoon it into a pitcher, a bowl, or whatever. By doing that, it'll allow the pork to cook faster because it's going to be a higher heat, and you're not necessarily just boiling your food, if that makes any sense. almost like you're stir frying, right? Really hot, really fast. This pork's almost done.
What are you cooking?
Discada, so a little bit of everything. Beef, pork, chicken, bacon, sausage. You better leave my dog alone. Reese's, get him! No, they're miniature Australian Shepherd. So they're not as big as the other ones. So, making fun of my dog, freaking punks. So like I said, my phone cut out. I'm not sure where it cut out. People are showing up, my ring is going off, my phone's going off, so somewhere in there it stopped my video. So we're back here doing the pork. Pork is almost done. If you're not sure, cut it in half. Almost. It's a little pink. Okay, pork is done. We're gonna add it. So this bowl is gonna get heavier and heavier. So I said 24 pounds of meat. That's a lot of meat. And it's gonna start smoking because I'm taking it out. It's gonna get mad at me. So in the bowl. So you can imagine if you had the bacon and the sausage and the beef, now the pork, you're gonna be fighting with it a lot. And it's not worth it. Just go ahead and put it in a separate bowl. It's hot, like my hand's hot. It's burning my hand right now. No worries. Chicken. Going in there fast because it's getting hot. Chicken is gonna cook super fast. Chicken's done, chicken's done.
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, let's do onions.
It's a lot easier when you're setting up and the snow's not hitting you.
Dude, I was telling them, like, the last time I did this was in Colorado, and I was cooking for 40. We were in the freaking goddamn snow. We were using fire, wood, and we were fighting with the temps. I'm like, totally different. Now it's just that heat. I can feel it burning my legs. Let's put everything in.
Yeah, we bought our Honda. Eric was like, what? And I was like, look, they last forever. They last forever.
Oh yeah. What's up?
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I think I bought mine for $600 7 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, whenever I bought the house, I bought a Honda.
Damn. Do y'all like jalapenos? Do y'all eat them? Do you eat jalapenos? I got a bunch.
Matter of fact, at our quinceanera, they had that truck.
Uh-huh.
He had some hot jalapenos.
Did he?
Yeah, he did. But they had me.
They're big. Nah, I might as well throw them in. Who cares? Might as well. Hey, how's it going? That's Jesse, Carlitos. Dang, he just walked past him. That's throwing them burrs. I know, right? Poor Jesse, he's all blushing.
Luke said his earphone. I was like, because it's on the side of the truck.
Yeah.
That's probably what he named his truck. What is it? It says, the love symbol.
Lourdes thought it said less than 3, and I'm like, Lourdes, that's a heart. It's not a less than 3. I tell you.
Word.
Got the burrs. All right, jalapenos done-ish. We're gonna add the meat. Oh yeah. Chicken, there's the pork, there's the beef, there's the sausage, there's the bacon. No. It won't.
Like the meat just fit in there. I was like,
oh no.
I was like, well, I don't know. Maybe we'll see.
Gotta get a shovel. Right?
Right? Little e-tool.
Mix it. I think we're done.
Yeah, we're gonna keep them. She'll move out before the dogs do. That's fine.
Ugh. Oh, you're good, you're good. Boom shakalaka. So the Discada is done. So you can see there's plenty of room to keep going. I could put more. Like if I had to guess, I could probably put 10 more pounds of beef in here or meat. But like I said, 24 pounds-ish is gonna be enough for everybody that's gonna be inside. I'm not worried about it. It's hard to turn. That's a lot of freaking meat. That's a lot of everything, to be honest with you. Jalapenos are done. You can see they're nice and squishy. Squishy's good. I gotta plate these up, take them inside, and then we'll eat. All right, everybody, so that's it. That's the Discada for 50 people. I'm tired. That took, let's see, how long did it take? It's 5 o'clock. Started at 3:30, it's an hour and a half. That's not too bad. So 2 hours of prep yesterday and an hour and a half of cooking today. It went by pretty good. Doesn't hurt if you got family here. A couple of beers helps you also. So again, like I said, just a couple different changes between doing Discada for 20 and for 50, right? Main thing is watching those juices, the water that comes out of your tomatoes, watching your tomato juices. Then, like I said, some of the beef is also letting out liquid too. So it's just maintaining that, right? Taking it out as you need it, as you need to, and adding it back in as you need to. So again, this was for my son's 18th birthday. Carlitos, happy birthday. We love you. Until I see you guys again, take care and God bless.